Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we help you navigate your financial journey with confidence. Today, we're diving into a crucial question that's on the minds of many aspiring investors. When should you start investing? Investing can seem like a complex and intimidating world, but getting started early can make a huge difference in your financial future. So, let's break it down. When is the right time to start investing? Let's get into it. 1. Assess your financial situation. First things first. Assess your financial situation. Before diving into investments, you need to have a solid understanding of your finances. This means having a clear picture of your income, expenses, and any existing debt. Make sure you have an emergency fund, usually 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses set aside. This safety net ensures that you're not forced to sell investments in a pinch. Next up, set your financial goals. What are you investing for? Is it retirement, buying a home, or maybe funding a child's education? Clearly defined goals will help guide your investment strategy. Short-term goals might need more conservative investments, while long-term goals can benefit from higher risk investments with potentially higher returns. Step 3. Understand your risk tolerance. Everyone's risk appetite is different. Assess how comfortable you are with the possibility of your investments fluctuating in value. Your age, financial situation, and investment goals all play a role in determining your risk tolerance. Younger investors might lean towards higher risk, higher reward investments, while those closer to retirement may prefer more stable options. Now let's talk about starting simple. If you're new to investing, consider beginning with straightforward options like index funds or ETFs. These offer broad market exposure with lower risk compared to individual stocks. These types of investments can be a great way to ease into the market without needing to pick individual stocks. Finally, educate yourself continuously. Investing isn't a one-time event. The more you learn, the better decisions you'll make. Follow financial news, read books, and watch educational videos. Staying informed will help you adapt to market changes and refine your investment strategy over time. So, when should you start investing? The answer is, when you're financially prepared, have clear goals, understand your risk tolerance, and are ready to start with simple investments. And remember, it's never too early to begin your investing journey. Thanks for tuning into my channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more financial tips and insights. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy investing.